In this video, we will show you how to drop pin in Google Maps. Drop pins mean two purpose. First, we just drop pin and then share it to people. Or drop pin means we have business on Google Maps. How to do that? First, in here, we just using satellite view to make it better. For example, drop pin and share to our friends, to our college. Just for example, like this, we can just click the pin like this and we can just share. Okay, we can share the pin on WhatsApp, X, or another here. But if the drop pin means we have a business, we can just click the menu. Okay, and in here we can add our business or add a missing place. Okay, for example, like this, we will try to drop in as our business here. Okay, we can just for example, click here and we can just select add missing place. Okay, for example, we just type the place name and we can select category market, just for example like this, and we can edit the map location. Okay, like that. Okay, then we can click submit. After that, we can click save like this, and after that we can fill out all this information, then we can click submit. Okay, it's different if we just click or add the business. Just click add your business here. Now in here you need to add your business name, business category, and whatever. Okay, you can start building your business, so it will pin on Google Maps if you claim the business. Okay, and that's all tutorial how to pin on Google Maps. It's mean two purpose. First, you can just pin and then share it, and the second, you can claim the business or add the missing location. Okay, you can just click the menu and there is a button to add missing place or add your business. That's all tutorial how you can drop pin on Google Maps. If you have any questions, you can fill in the comment below, and thanks for watching.